In this movie, we are going to learn how to provide a user authentication for our application, which means sign in, sign up, and authenticate. So for that, I'm going to go to rubygems.com. So Ruby Gems, it is a software packages. You can download and install whatever packages that you want. Here is the packages that are downloads and countings. And let's search for our gem. Now I'm going to search for Devise Gem, which is used for authentication, flexible authentication solution for Rails with Warden. There are multiple device and multiple stuff for authentication. So I'm going to use this device, just the device, and I'm going to copy this. And after I copied, I'm going to the gem file. Inside of the gem file, I'm going to paste it over the Devise Gem, and then after every time you install the gem, you need to, every time you added some new gems, you need to use the command bundle install. It will install the gem. Bundle install. And here it is installing devices, and it installed all the bundles for us. So after that, I'm going to clear it off. After I installed the bundles, I'm going to install the Devise Gem. So to install the Devise Gem, I'm going to type the command rails install Devise Gem. If you are stuck here, you can see the documentation under the source code or at the documentation, and here they will provide you step-by-step solution. After installing gem, you should use the command rails generate device install. And here it shows some instructions over here. The first step, and here it's showing the FI instruction, which is ensure that you have a defined URL, which is we are going to copy and paste this line of code inside of config environment development.v. The first step is to copy and paste this line. I'm just going to paste it over here and save. And then the second step is going to be on the root home index. We have already set the route, so we need not to do that. We need not to do that. And after that, the alert message. Okay, let's do that and copy and paste the alert message inside of the application.html.erb file. Let us do that. Save that. And after that, this is for deployment in Heroku. We are not going to deploy anything. And the last step, we need to do Rails G device views. Rails G device views. So, and here it is. And when we type this views, Rails generate device views, it will, let me copy this and paste it over. Make sure that I don't have any spelling mistakes. Oops. Yeah, now it will install our the files which are needed to create the form for sign up, sign in, and also it just installed our initializers, helpers, everything for us. This is the advantage of using software packages. Automatically, most of the stuff have been pre-generated by the Ruby on Rails. And the next thing, we are going to generate a user, which is a device user, and you can check it out here. They are saying that device model, we are creating the model for the user, so let's do that. So it has created a user model inside of the database here, and then finally we are going to do reg db :migrate. So the reg db migrate has done, and let me clear this, and we are going to add the stuffs inside of so I'm going to paste some code, which is if in this code it is saying that if user is signed in, if user is signed in means you can show this link admin login new user path session. If user not signed in, if user not signed in this page, it should show the admin login page, or better, it's just a login. So login, and then I also make sure to create a path for logout. And the same thing should be done for also the home post and creating a new post, which means that let me delete this off. So what actually here it means, so what this line of code says, this punch line of code says that if user signed in means they have the capability of creating a new post, and they have the capability of going to this link, and if user not signed in, the post should not viewed. So before that, let's check it out. /user/sign up. Oh, I need to start the server. And it just started the server, so I'm going to reload that. And it is saying that user/sign up, there is no routes matching, user/sign up. So here it is, here is our sign in page, and also if user not signed in, as per our user not signed in, it is showing the login page. So that is the advantage of using it. So I'm going to create radharaman6195@gmail.com, password Raman, and password. Sign up. Yes, here it is, the logout button. When we click logout, nothing happens because we haven't tell anything. When we click to logout, and Here is a flash message: welcome, you have successfully created a new post. And here is a new post button, and let us do the logout functionality. So here we add the logout functionality. So I'm going to link this button to logout and the method of destroy user session path. While destroying this, the session path for the user will destroy, so the user is logged out. So let us check it out, and let me log in again. 6195@gmail.com, and then yes, I have logged in successfully, and I can log out. Yes, that's cool. And I'm going to also add the same kind of functionality, like if user signed in, we are going to authenticate the user. So inside of the comment, I'm going to the view, views, comments.html.p, and so what I'm saying is, if the user is signed in, then only he have the capability to so I pasted some code. So what here telling is, if user signed in, then only I'm going to show this link. If not, I'm not sure going to show that link. So let's reload this and read post. Oops, there is no delete stuff. There is no link for delete stuff in comments. Let us create a comment. So the comment is creating. The problem is we also need to do this one. Also authenticate the user to comment. Only authenticated user should come. So here the only signed in user have the ability to see the link of delete. So now I check that using login. I'm going to log in Rajaram 6195@gmail.com. Now I logged in, and now I'm going to this post. I have the capability to delete this ability permission, which means the authentication to delete that, not the capability. Sorry for my. Only the signed in users have the authentication to delete, and we are also going to do the authentication for creating a post. So to do that, here if user signed in, indent this little bit, let us end this post. So save that and reload this. Oops. Save this. If user signed in means this will show. reload this. If user signed in means it will show the edit post for edit or delete post option, edit or delete post link. If user is not signed out, sorry, if user is logged out, then it will not show the delete or edit or to delete the comments. So this is what we done. We have done 3 authentication, one for the comment, so the only signed in users have the authentication to delete the comment, and only the signed in user can authentication to create a new post. Only the signed in user can have the authentication to delete the post. So that's it. We have finished a complete blog, and if you wanted to style this blog, I'm going to say go to the assets folder inside of the style sheet, get into the application.css and style as like you can, and in the application.html in this file, and you can do something like div tags and class equal to container like this, and you can close the div tag over here. And now I'm going to the Bootstrap, get this is the Bootstrap. Bootstrap is a framework for styling the web sheet. So what I'm going to do is to link the href over here, and they will copy this, and I'm going to paste that inside of the style sheet. Paste that, and now let's see, there is a little bit of styling. Yes, here it is. After the Bootstrap is added, it will show the styles. So you can add a lot of styles that you like, and you can also add the navigation, and everything is styled up right now.